Welcome to the future of chatbot creation. In a world where technology is advancing at lightning speed, crafting a chatbot no longer requires complex coding skills. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a business professional, today's video will open the door to innovative AI tools that make building chatbots accessible to everyone. Imagine being able to design your own virtual assistant without writing a single line of code. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive into our top picks for AI tools that will transform your vision into reality. First on our list is Chatbot.com. This platform is perfect for beginners, offering an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. With Chatbot.com, you can customize your bot's responses and interactions effortlessly, making it ideal for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement without technical expertise. Next up, we have Landbot. Known for its user-friendly approach, Landbot allows you to create conversational experiences that look and feel like natural human interactions. Its visual builder simplifies the process, letting you focus on crafting engaging dialogues rather than coding complexities. Another standout tool is Tars. Tars is designed for those who want quick deployment. It provides templates that you can tweak to fit your brand's voice and style, making it a favorite among marketers aiming to improve conversion rates with minimal setup time. Let's not forget ManyChat, which is highly popular for integrating seamlessly with social media platforms like Facebook Messenger. It's a fantastic choice for businesses aiming to automate their customer service and marketing efforts on social channels. Finally, there's BotStar, which offers advanced analytics to track your bot's performance. This tool is perfect for businesses that want insights into user interactions, helping refine and optimize chat experiences over time. These platforms not only save time and resources, but empower anyone, regardless of technical skill, to build sophisticated chatbots. The days of feeling daunted by the idea of creating a chatbot are over. In summary, these AI tools redefine what's possible for non-coders, making chatbot creation as easy as pie. With options like Chatbot.com, Landbot, Tars, ManyChat, and BotStar, you're equipped to elevate your business or project with innovative AI solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Empower yourself today, because with the right tools, the possibilities are endless.